If your relationship feels like you're constantly sending reminder notifications to call, to plan a date, to just be present, you need to hear this. The brutal truth is, if you constantly beg for effort, you're not in a relationship. You're in a reminder service. A healthy, mature relationship requires initiative. That feeling where both people want to contribute because they value the connection. They're both co-pilots. But when you have to beg, you've become the only one flying the plane. Your partner is simply the passenger who occasionally wakes up when the turbulence gets too bad, only to complain and go back to sleep. The effort you receive after you beg for it isn't genuine love or care. It's a temporary reaction to avoid your frustration. It's a response to the reminder, not a spontaneous desire to cherish you. When you constantly beg, you are effectively training yourself to accept less than you deserve, and this has a massive psychological impact. 1. It's an identity shift. You stop being a partner and start being a manager. You're micromanaging emotional tasks, turning romance into a chore list. 2. It kills joy. The good moments are tainted because they aren't organic. They only happened because you planned, you asked, and you prompted. You can't enjoy the effort because you earned it through nagging, not love. 3. It destroys trust. You begin to believe you are only worthy of effort when you demand it. This erodes your self-worth and creates dependency, making it harder to leave. Why do they keep doing it? Because your persistence has created a silent agreement. They have learned that your love is conditional, but the condition is not their effort. It's your continued nagging. You are worthy of a love that is spontaneous and enthusiastic, not coerced and conditional. What will you do with the extra time you get back now that you've quit your reminder service job? Let me know in the comments below.